cot set up. It'll be a little bit further towards the front, which means there's going to be a huge amount of space in the back that I can put my fridge in, possibly straight in, front in. But I don't know if I want to do that. And then that still leaves a fair bit of space all along this side for everything else. Got a couple sheets of aluminum. Those are going to be used to replace the busted out window. I'm going to insulate the inside and outside, and then put this is a pair, so I'm going to sandwich the insulation between it all. So yeah, I'm working in a mess, but yeah, let's look at that. Two pads will support the back end of that. That goes, I gotta go all the way up front and loosen everything so I can drop it, so I can run the new wires all the way to the back. And then I'll have to see about running them down in the corner, which is where I want the inverter and everything else hanging out in that corner there. So that won't be too difficult to put together. I'll run my new wires down, connect them over to there, then I'll run some big ones from the battery underneath, and then over to the battery box, which is in the front there. But I'm gonna put a battery back here, vent it to the outside. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can hide the inverter up there, or if I'll just wall mount it. Probably try and hide it. So LED lights roughly installed in location, and the amount of light they all bring throughout. I've got a couple more of these little light packs, so I'm gonna spread them around a little bit more, maybe double up in a couple areas, but I'll put them on switches and we'll go from there.